Your garden doesn't have to look bare and lonely for the next 5 years. Sam here from Seniors Gardening Advice, and I'm about to show you something that will completely change how you think about garden planning. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 10 remarkable plants that fill empty garden spaces faster than you ever thought possible, without becoming wild and uncontrollable. If you're tired of looking at patches of bare soil and weeds, or if you want a garden that looks lush and established in just 1 or 2 growing seasons, you absolutely need to watch this entire video. Please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our gardening tips. If this content helps you create the garden of your dreams, I'd love you to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your gardening friends. Why your new garden beds look disappointing and how to fix it fast. When you first plant a new garden space, everything looks perfect. You've carefully selected your plants, you've read every single label and followed the spacing instructions precisely, you water them regularly, you add mulch around each one. Then you wait and wait and wait. But months pass, then a year goes by, and then 2 years. Your garden still looks incomplete. There's nothing but exposed soil showing through. Weeds pop up everywhere you didn't want them. Your plants look isolated and small instead of forming a beautiful full display that makes your yard the envy of the neighborhood. Most gardening guides tell you the same tired advice. Be patient. Perennial plants just take time. But this is outdated thinking. This is not the only way forward. The real answer is much simpler. You need to choose the right plants from the start. You need plants that spread quickly and vigorously while staying under control. You need plants that fill space at speed, choke out the weeds naturally, and remain manageable year after year. These plants exist, and they're easier to find than you think. In this guide, Sam from Seniors Gardening Advice is sharing the 10 best fast-growing perennials that deliver instant impact without taking over your entire property. You'll learn which plants work best for your specific situation. You'll understand how to manage them properly so they stay balanced and beautiful. And you'll discover the one secret that most gardeners miss, the winter care routine that makes these plants even stronger and more vigorous when spring arrives.
Understanding fast-growing plants without the chaos. There's an important distinction that many people miss. Growing quickly is completely different from being invasive. The 10 plants on this list represent a sweet spot in the gardening world. They expand with purpose and predictability. They spread through different methods, some through underground runners, others through expanding clumps, and some through short root systems. Each one can be managed through basic techniques like dividing the clumps, creating borders, or pruning. None of these plants will invade your lawn or eliminate all your other plants. You remain in control at all times. With the control tips provided for each plant, you'll keep everything balanced and beautiful. The 10 fast-growing perennials that transform gardens. Perennial number 1, Lamb's Ear, Stachys byzantina. If you want the quickest way to add interesting texture and light to a dark corner, lamb's ear is your answer. This remarkable plant develops soft, woolly, silver-gray leaf clusters that spread across the ground surface. Within weeks, these individual clusters connect together and form one thick, complete carpet of foliage that suppresses weeds and looks stunning. Key information. Height reaches between 6 and 12 inches, spreads through runners along the surface of the soil, thrives in full sun or light shade, growing zones 4 through 9. Why gardeners love this plant. The silvery leaves catch and reflect sunlight beautifully, making nearby flowers appear brighter and more vivid. Lamb's ear requires very little water once established and excels at blocking weeds from growing underneath it. How to keep it healthy. In areas with high humidity and moisture, select sterile varieties like big ears. Divide your lamb's ear every few years to prevent rot and ensure the clumps don't become too dense and unhealthy. Perennial number 2, Threadleaf coreopsis. Want fast growth combined with nearly endless flowers? Threadleaf coreopsis delivers both. This plant creates masses of bright yellow blooms that float above feathery, delicate foliage. Flowers appear continuously from the arrival of summer all the way through the end of fall. Key information. Height ranges from 12 to 24 inches. Spreads 1 to 2 feet every single year. Requires full sun exposure. Growing zones 3 through 9. Why gardeners love this plant? The bloom time is exceptional,
sometimes lasting 5 months or more. Care requirements are minimal. The plant handles extreme heat without stress. How to keep it healthy. Every 3 to 4 years, divide the clusters to maintain their vigor and prevent them from spreading beyond your intended boundaries. Perennial number 3, Shasta Daisy. Nothing says garden classic quite like Shasta Daisy. These plants produce the iconic white blooms with yellow centers that immediately make any garden feel established and beautiful. They spread naturally into larger clusters over time. Key information. Height reaches 2 to 3 feet, grows in clump form that expands gradually, prefers full sun locations, growing zones 5 through 9. Why gardeners love this plant? The flowers are bright, happy, and cheerful. They fill space naturally and organically. Shasta daisies suit any garden design, from cottage gardens to modern landscapes. How to keep it healthy. Divide every few years to manage size. If your soil is very rich and fertile, the plants may flop over. Use stakes to keep them upright in these situations.
Perennial number 4, Creeping Phlox. For spring color that takes your breath away, Creeping Phlox stands alone. If you want your garden to burst with vibrant blooms as soon as spring arrives, this plant belongs in your beds. It creates dense, solid mats of foliage that naturally prevent weeds from establishing themselves underneath. Key information. Height reaches only 4 to 6 inches. Spreads through creeping stem growth. Thrives in full sun. Growing zones 3 through 9. Why gardeners love this plant? The spring bloom display is absolutely stunning. The plant forms a weed-blocking carpet. It requires virtually no maintenance. How to keep it healthy. After the flowers fade, give the plant a light trim. This simple step keeps it looking neat and maintains its dense, compact form. Perennial number 5, Bee Balm, or Monarda. Attract butterflies, hummingbirds, and bees while filling your garden with color. Bee balm spreads through underground root systems called rhizomes, creating larger and larger colonies each year. The flowers arrive in summer and are incredibly vibrant and eye-catching. Key information. Height ranges from 2 to 4 feet, spreads through underground root runners, grows in full sun or partial shade, growing zones 4 through 9. Why gardeners love this plant? Bold, exciting flower colors appear all summer long. Hummingbirds visit constantly. The foliage smells wonderful when brushed or crushed. How to keep it healthy? Select varieties that resist powdery mildew, a common issue with bee balm. Divide the plants every 2 to 3 years to prevent overcrowding. Perennial number 6, Daylilies, Hemerocallis. Daylilies might be the most forgiving plant ever created. They survive heat, drought, poor soil, and even complete neglect. Yet they steadily expand year after year, filling space with beautiful foliage and flowers. Key information. Height varies from 1 to 4 feet depending on variety, grows in expanding clumps, adapts to full sun or partial shade, growing zones 3 through 9. Why gardeners love this plant? Daylilies handle nearly any condition you can throw at them. They're nearly impossible to kill. They improve and spread without requiring your attention. How to keep it healthy? Every few years, divide older clusters. This refreshes the growth and prevents the center of the clump from becoming tired or weak. Perennial number 7, Catmint, Nepeta. Catmint provides months of beautiful blooms with almost zero effort required. This plant spreads through root systems and occasionally self-seeds, creating an ever-expanding display of color. Key information. Height ranges from 12 to 36 inches, spreads through roots and light self-seeding, requires full sun exposure, growing zones 3 through 9. Why gardeners love this plant? The bloom time extends for months and months. The plant tolerates drought beautifully. Bees, butterflies, and other pollinators visit constantly. How to keep it healthy? After the first wave of flowers finishes blooming, trim the plant back. This encourages a second round of flowers.
Choose varieties labeled as sterile, such as Walker's Low, to prevent excessive self-seeding. Perennial number 8. Obedient plant, Physostegia. For rapidly filling large garden areas, obedient plant is unmatched. This plant spreads aggressively through underground root systems, creating a full coverage display in just a couple of seasons. Key information. Height reaches 2 to 4 feet. Spreads through aggressive underground roots. Grows in full sun or partial shade. Growing zones 3 through 9. Why gardeners love this plant? It fills space incredibly fast. Late-season flowers provide color when other plants are fading. It thrives in moist soil conditions. How to keep it healthy? Plant this one only in locations where you want complete coverage. Consider installing root barriers to prevent spreading beyond your intended boundaries. Perennial number 9. Ajuga, or bugleweed. In shaded areas where nothing else seems to grow, ajuga performs beautifully. It ranks among the fastest ground covers available for shadier locations. The colorful foliage remains attractive throughout the entire year. Key information. Height reaches 4 to 6 inches. Spreads through runners along the soil surface. Thrives in shade to partial sun. Growing zones 3 through 9. Why gardeners love this plant? It covers bare ground under trees remarkably fast. The foliage displays colors year-round. It handles the challenging conditions under existing plants and trees. How to keep it healthy? Use garden edging to prevent ajuga from creeping into your lawn. Ensure the soil doesn't become waterlogged, as this can cause problems.
Perennial number 10. Sedum Autumn Joy. This remarkable succulent provides interest for 3 entire seasons with minimal care. Fleshy leaves, fall flowers, and winter structure combine to create a beautiful display that evolves throughout the year. Key information. Height ranges from 18 to 24 inches. Forms expanding clusters over time. Requires full sun. Growing zones 3 through 9. Why gardeners love this plant? The succulent foliage looks interesting and different. Fall flowers appear when many gardens are fading. Winter structure remains attractive even after frost. How to keep it healthy? Sedum demands excellent drainage. Poor drainage causes root rot. Divide your clumps every 4 to 5 years to maintain vigor and prevent overcrowding.
The winter secret that most gardeners never discover. Here's what separates gardeners who have amazing results from those who struggle. They understand winter care. Fast-growing perennials don't simply go to sleep in winter, they prepare for explosive growth in spring. If you care for them properly during the cold months, they'll return stronger, healthier, and more vigorous than ever before. Fall cleanup decisions: what stays and what goes. Not every plant should be cut back in fall. This is where many gardeners make mistakes. Plants to cut back in fall. Cut bee balm, threadleaf coreopsis, catmint, and Shasta daisy down to 4 to 6 inches above the soil surface. This reduced height prevents disease from developing over the wet winter months. Plants to leave standing. Leave the dried stems of sedum, ajuga, and creeping phlox in place. Standing growth insulates and protects the root area. It also adds interesting winter visual appeal to your garden beds. Proper mulching techniques for winter protection. Apply 2 to 3 inches of protective mulch material around your plants. Good options include shredded leaves, straw, or pine needles. This layer protects the roots from extreme temperature swings. Critical reminder: never pile mulch against the crown or center of the plant where it meets the soil. This causes rot and disease. Keep a small space around the plant's stem clear of mulch. Preventing winter damage from freeze-thaw cycles. Winter damage often comes from repeated freezing and thawing that heaves plants out of the ground. Prevent this by maintaining even mulch coverage. Water your beds deeply before the ground freezes solid. Avoid leaving bare patches of soil exposed where frost can penetrate and lift plants.
Winter is planning time. Don't waste winter. Use it productively. Walk your garden and identify which plants have become overcrowded. Note which clumps need dividing in spring. Plan where you'll relocate divided plants. This planning ensures you're ready for action the moment spring arrives. Spring Awakening Checklist. As temperatures warm and growth resumes, follow these steps. Remove excess mulch gradually as new growth appears. Clean away dead and dried material from fall. Add fresh compost around the base of plants to feed emerging growth. Give your spreading plants plenty of space to expand. Why this approach works year after year? This complete system works because it works with nature, not against it. Fast-growing perennials want to expand. Your job is simply to choose the right ones, give them proper care, and maintain them through the seasons. You don't need to be a patient person waiting 5, 10, or 15 years for garden maturity. With the right fast-growing perennials selected and smart winter management practices in place, you can create a full, colorful, beautiful garden in just 1 to 2 growing seasons. You'll fill empty beds quickly. You'll reduce the weeds that plague new gardens. You'll save money by planting fewer individual plants. You'll enjoy continuous color and beauty from spring through fall. The strategy is simple. Choose plants that work hard for you. Manage them with light, regular care. Let nature do what it does best. If you found this guide helpful and you're ready to transform your garden, please subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice so you never miss new growing tips and techniques. Share this video with friends and family who are frustrated with their new garden beds. Leave a comment below telling us which perennial you're most excited to plant. Your feedback and support help us create more valuable gardening content. Happy planting, and we'll see you in the next video.